ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video review here on techgooch. I have another set of products specifically for you Mavic Pro owners out there. These are the SANDMARC aerial filter set. Essentially, this is a 4-piece set that comes with an ND4, ND8, ND16, as well as a polarized filter as well for the Mavic Pro set of drones. It is a very lightweight aluminum set of filters. They are handy because they are very lightweight, so you can actually leave the filter on at all time. Even when you're doing gimbal calibration, you can have these on the actual camera. They will not mess with calibration whatsoever. They come with a nice standard little box, I guess, seal box that you can actually throw in your pack. If there's one thing I wish these filter companies would do is reduce the size of the packaging. I understand that this is not too bad, but I'd like to have something smaller so it takes up less space. So that'd be one thing right out of the gate. They work really well. The quality of the filters, in my opinion, is top-notch. I have to give them credit on that. Most SANDMARC products are typically pretty awesome. I've actually had some other SANDMARC products in the past for my GoPro series stuff. Whenever I actually put filters on my Mavic, I always like putting the gimbal holder. It just kind of helps hold it down a little bit better while I'm actually applying it. I'm going to throw on, this is the polarized filter. Throw that on here. You know what? Maybe I should bring the video in and you can take a peek at how I'm actually putting this on here. Alright, so I have the filter here, which just sticks onto the actual camera itself. Now, like I said, I already have the backer there for the gimbal on. So it gives me a little more, I guess, I feel a little safer pushing on the camera with something back there actually holding it, so I'm not pushing against it. Then once it's on, then you can go ahead and remove that back out, and you're good to film again. It does not hinder the camera movement at all. To prove that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and that way you can actually see we have full movement of it. Okay, so we're all set here, and so you can see if I look straight down, same thing if I'm going up, and obviously this wheel error. Okay, so we're all set up here. So you can see here if I scroll down, or if I'm going up, even if I go 30 degrees above normal, which I have it set so I can actually do. Same thing with the actual movement here. It doesn't hinder the movement of the actual gimbal at all, which is the point, right? From calibration to on-off to anything, it's not going to actually do anything to hinder your capability of actually taking shots with the actual camera. If you've never actually taken one of these off as well, you're going to want to get basically a hold of the actual gimbal. Again, usually I actually place the gimbal clamp into place. I just like to have something on the camera at all times just to help hold it there. And then all we're doing, this is going to be hard for me to do while I'm actually doing it on camera. I'm trying to do, all you got to do is pull straight off and it just pops right off. I have never had an issue with these loosening up in flight, which is obviously a big thing. You don't want it falling off in flight, but SANDMARC does a pretty good job with their filters, in my opinion. So these filters, they have in several different sets. This is the aerial filters that I've done. It comes with the 4 different filter set. These are running like 69 bucks. You can actually get polarized ND filters as well. They offer several different varieties. Highly recommend checking them out. I will have links in the description below. If you do purchase through that link, you are supporting the program here. So thank you very much for that. But don't feel the necessary need to do that. It's all up to you. But that said, definitely check out, I will put a link to SANDMARC's website. You can actually see their whole variety of products that they make, including the filters, and then a whole bunch of other stuff that they do. They make some pretty cool stuff, to be honest. One of my favorite, like selfie sticks, actually, SANDMARC made as well. So they did send this over to me to show you guys, and I really, really appreciate that, SANDMARC. Thank you for sending these over. They're pretty awesome, and I definitely recommend them. Quality build is top-notch. So with that said, guys, if you have any other questions or comments, that's what that section below is. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and I try to get back with any comment that you have below, especially if it's aimed at me. I try to get back at it as soon as possible. If I don't answer your question and you're waiting for me, just head over to the techgooch.com, fill out the submission over there, and it'll go directly to me in my email box. So, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out, and we'll catch you on a future video.